So when we talk about precision in lesson 1, precision talks about the measuring device. Okay, the precision has something to do with the measuring device, how fine those tick marks are, whereas accuracy talks about how close you are to the measurement, to the actual measurement. So example 1. So Frank is 34 years old. Okay, Frank. While Frank is actually 34 years old, 2 months, 1 week, 4 days old, referring to Frank as being 34-year-old is considered accurate enough information. So when we look at 34 years old, this is a correct measure of his age, right? When we don't really need to go by finer measuring device which measures the days down to the days. Okay, so let's take a look at example number 2. Is everybody okay with that one? Example number 2. A weight disc used in weightlifting in Olympic Games has 20 pounds written on it. So George takes an actual measurement of the weight disc and finds it really is 20.483 pounds. Because the weight of the disc determines the winner of the weightlifting competition, they may say that the weight is not accurate. So if two people carried 20 pounds written on it, they're actually not quite accurate, because in a competition we needed to be as close as accurate to the actual measurement is. So this one, 20 pounds, is not accurate enough. It has to go down to as close as it could possibly be. Now the question is what is close and what's close enough? Okay, so that kind of gives it the situation. Example 3. The actual temperature is 22.56 degrees. Hilda says the temperature is 20 degrees. She would be more accurate if she reported 22 or 23. So if somebody says it's 20 degrees outside, oh yeah, that's probably good enough, right? But to be more accurate, okay, the word accurate means close to the actual measurement. So to be close to the actual measurement, she should have said 22 or 23 degrees. Okay. Example 4. This one here is just basically a discussion. Example 4. Determine if the reported measurement is considered accurate. Okay, is it accurate enough? Is it close enough measurement? Freddie measures a pencil that has an actual measurement of 15.8, and then he records it to be 10 centimeters. Is that accurate enough? No, that's no. So this is not accurate enough. That's like far, right? An oven's temperature is 251 degrees, actual temperature. But when we read it, we recorded it as 250. Is that accurate enough? 251, 250, is it close enough to an actual measurement? Yeah, it is pretty close, yeah. Letter C. When the weighting bag of wheat seed actually is 98.63 kilogram, the grain elevator reports it to be 100. Is that close enough? Well, how big is a kilogram? That's quite a big difference, right? So this one here would be, no, because the bag would be really off by 1.37 kilograms. That's quite a bit of amount of seeds. Is that okay? So which one, is it close enough? Is it accurate enough? I think what we'll do is we'll stop right here. We'll discuss this tomorrow about what could be the possible situation where a high degree of accuracy is, or something that doesn't require a high degree of accuracy. So tomorrow I want to let you know that we'll finish talking about these, and then we will also have a first hand-in assignment on this lesson 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow, and have a good afternoon, everybody.